1 spoon before bed, the secret remedy to rebuild muscle after 60 friends. If you're over 60, you may have noticed your arms feel weaker, your legs tire faster, or lifting groceries isn't as easy as it used to be. Many people think this is just aging, but the truth is, much of this weakness comes from a condition called muscle loss, and the good news, you can fight it, even rebuild muscle naturally. In today's video, I'll share with you a simple bedtime remedy. Just 1 spoon before bed helps rebuild muscle strength, reduce nighttime breakdown, and improve energy for the next day. But before we get to the remedy, we need to understand why our muscles weaken after 60 and what common foods may be silently making it worse. Understanding muscle loss after the age of 60, the body begins to lose muscle mass at a faster rate. Scientists say that seniors can lose up to 3 to 8% of muscle every decade. This is why simple tasks like climbing stairs or getting out of a chair suddenly feel harder. Muscle loss isn't just about strength, it also increases the risk of falls, slows down metabolism, and makes recovery from illness more difficult. But here's the hopeful part. Research shows that with the right nutrition and daily habits, you can slow down and even reverse muscle loss. The silent enemy is in your kitchen. And before I reveal the 1 spoon bedtime remedy, let us talk about the hidden enemy's foods. Many of us eat every day without realizing that we're stealing strength from our bodies. 1. Sugary foods and drinks. Excess sugar increases inflammation, making muscles weaker and joints stiffer. That evening tea with too many biscuits, it might be doing more harm than good. 2. Refined carbohydrates, white bread, pastries, and fried snacks cause rapid blood sugar spikes, draining your energy and slowing muscle repair. 3. Processed meats, bacon, sausages, and deli meats are full of preservatives and sodium that stress your muscles and kidneys. 4. Too much alcohol. A nightly glass of alcohol may feel relaxing, but it actually prevents muscle tissue from rebuilding while you sleep. Tesiarate silent enemies foods that quietly damage your body day by day. Transition to hope, but don't worry. Friends, just as there are foods that harm your muscles, there are also powerful foods that heal them, especially when eaten at the right time of day. And this is where the 1 spoon bedtime remedy comes in. I'll reveal exactly what that spoonful is, why it works best before bed, and how it helps your muscles rebuild naturally while you sleep. The secret bedtime spoon remedy. Now, friends, let's talk about this simple remedy that can truly help your muscles recover and rebuild overnight. It's nothing complicated, nothing expensive. Just 1 spoon before bed of a natural, nutrient-rich food you probably already have in your kitchen. That food is Greek yogurt with a spoonful of honey. Yes, just 1 small serving before you sleep works like a gentle fuel for your muscles. Here's why. Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein. While you sleep, your body still needs building blocks to repair muscles. Casein feeds your muscles slowly through the night, preventing them from breaking down. Honey gives a tiny, steady release of glucose. This stops your body from using muscle protein for energy while you rest, allowing your muscles to actually rebuild instead of breaking down. Think of it as giving your body the right tools at the right time, so your muscles repair while you dream. The science behind it. Studies have shown that seniors who consume protein before bedtime gain more muscle mass and strength compared to those who don't. Why? Because nighttime is when your body naturally does most of its repair work. Without the right fuel, your muscles go into starvation mode. But when you add that 1 spoon of protein-rich yogurt with honey, you're turning bedtime into rebuild time. It's simple, affordable, and powerful. Practical tips for seniors. Here's how to make it part of your routine. 1. Small portion. You only need 2 to 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt with half a teaspoon of honey. Too much sugar at night is not good. 2. Consistency. Make it a nightly ritual, just like brushing your teeth. Over time, your body will adapt and rebuild. 3. Customize it. If you're lactose intolerant, swap yogurt for almond yogurt or soy yogurt, still rich in protein. 4. Boosted, add a pinch of turmeric or cinnamon for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. This is not about eating a heavy snack at night, it's about giving your body just what it needs, in the right amount, to stay strong Enkuderhaman. Friends, it may sound too simple, but little habits create big results. Imagine yourself a few months from now, your legs feeling steadier, your arms feeling stronger, and your confidence returning just because of one small bedtime ritual. In Part 3, I'll share which bone and muscle-friendly foods you should add during the day, and which ones to avoid, so that your nightly spoon remedy works even better. Daytime foods that support muscle strength. Now that you know about the bedtime spoon remedy, let's make it even more powerful. What you eat during the day determines how much fuel your muscles actually have to work with. Here are the top foods seniors should add to their diet for stronger muscles. 1. Eggs. Simple, affordable, and packed with high quality protein plus vitamin B12, which seniors often lack. Just one boiled egg in the morning can help prevent muscle loss. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens provide magnesium and potassium, both essential for muscle contractions and recovery. 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 south, which reduce inflammation and help muscles recover after activity. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide protein and healthy fats. Just a handful daily strengthens muscles and protects joints. 5. Beans and lentils. Budget-friendly, rich in plant protein, iron, and fiber great for maintaining energy and strong muscles. 6. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are antioxidant-rich and help reduce inflammation that slows muscle repair. Foods that weaken muscles. But here's the catch. Friends, there are also foods silently damaging your muscles and undoing your progress. If you want the bedtime spoon remedy to work, you have to avoid these enemies' sugary snacks and pastries. They spike blood sugar and promote fat gain instead of muscle strength. Excessive salt, too much sodium, dehydrates muscles, making them weaker. Processed meat, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats are loaded with sodium and unhealthy fats that damage both muscles and the heart. Alcohol, even a little alcohol, slows muscle repair and disrupts sleep. Daily habits that amplify muscle repair to truly rebuild strength after 60. Food is only half the story. Here are simple daily habits that work hand in hand with your bedtime remedy. Light strength training. Use resistance bands, water bottles, or light dumbbells, just 10 to 15 minutes a day. This tells your muscles, stay strong, don't shrink. Short walks. Walking keeps circulation active, delivering nutrients to your muscles and bones. Stretching. A few minutes of stretching in the morning and evening reduces stiffness and improves flexibility. Hydration. Muscles are about 75% water. If you're not drinking enough, they can't function properly. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses daily. When you combine these small habits with your nighttime spoon remedy, you're setting yourself up for steady, lasting strength, encouragement, and transition. Friends, aging doesn't mean weakness. With the right foods in your day, the right bedtime ritual, and just a few minutes of daily movement, you can take control of your health and feel younger, stronger, and more independent. In the final part, I'll share a simple, step-by-step daily routine from morning to night so you can follow it easily and see results quickly. Your complete daily routine for muscle strength after 60, friends. Now that you know the bedtime spoon remedy, the supportive daytime foods, and the simple habits, let's put it all together into a step-by-step daily plan. This way, you'll have a clear routine from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. Morning routine. Fuel and flexibility. Start with warm water. Begin your day with a glass of warm water and a squeeze of lemon. This wakes up your digestion and hydrates your muscles. Gentle stretching. Spend 5 minutes stretching your arms, shoulders, back, and legs. This improves circulation and reduces stiffness. Protein-packed breakfast. A boiled egg with whole grain toast, plus a handful of berries. This combination gives you protein, fiber, and antioxidants right away. Afternoon routine. Strength and steady energy. Balanced lunch. Include a portion of lean protein like fish, chicken, or beans with leafy greens and healthy fats. Olive oil, nuts, or seeds. Light movement. After lunch, go for a 10-minute walk. It helps digestion and keeps your blood flowing. Hydration reminder. By afternoon, you should have had at least 3 to 4 glasses of water. Carry a small bottle with you as a reminder. Evening routine, calm and repair light dinner. Keep dinner lighter than lunch. A vegetable soup with lentils or grilled fish with steamed greens is perfect. Avoid heavy fried or sugary foods. Relaxation habit. Spend a few minutes reading, listening to soft music, or deep breathing instead of screen time. This helps your body prepare for deep sleep. Bedtime routine. The secret spoon. About 30 minutes before bed, enjoy your small serving of Greek yogurt with half a teaspoon of honey. This is your secret weapon to feed your muscles while you rest. Brush your teeth, stretch lightly, then sleep on time. The earlier and more consistent your bedtime, the better your body repairs itself overnight. Friends, rebuilding strength after 60 doesn't require complicated diets, expensive supplements, or heavy workouts. It's about simple, consistent steps. The right foods, gentle daily habits, and that one spoon before bed. Imagine waking up with more energy, climbing stairs without fear, and enjoying your independence for years to come. Start today, stay consistent, and watch how your body thanks you. Remember, you are stronger than you think, and it's never too late to rebuild.